Hello, good day guys. Welcome back to my channel, and today I will show you and introduce to you the RHC footing calculator or estimator with a metric system units with mixed classes. As you can see, punta lang kayo dito sa rhcengineering.blogspot.com. Then ito yung makikita ninyo. Ito yung pinaka-latest na application natin. As you can see, we have here a figure kung saan yung width, length, thickness. Then the designation footing and column. Then we have here the input data, the length, width, the depth of the or the thickness. Yun guys. Then also the concrete mix class. So we have here class A, and B, and C. And we have the result. Then after the result, we have the manual calculation, as you can see here. Ang gagandang pa dito is when we put in the data here, it solve automatically. Okay, by the way, this calculation is based on the cement ratio, then the volume of the concrete. Kung magbe-base kayo kay Fajardo, estimate by Fajardo, so naka-base siya sa 0.5, naka-fix sa 0.5 para sa sand times the volume, then the gravel is 1.0, so naka-fix. Pero ito talaga yung calculation as per the volume ratio. So makikita naman ninyo. Okay, mag-sample tayo. For example, change natin. Ito pala yung default value, guys. 3.5 sa length, 2.0, and 0.3 sa the thickness. So mag-change tayo ng 5. Automatically mag-solve yan. 10.5, let's say. Ayun na. Automatic. Then the manual calculation. Let's say 0.5. Yan, no. Since sa class AA, ito yung results natin, yung pinaka-summary. Volume footing is 10.5. Quantity of cement is 54.55. Although, pwede na yung 755 bags. Quantity of sand is 2.86. And quantity of gravel is 5.73 sa class AA. Sa class A naman, as you can see, lumit yung number of cements natin. Okay, kasi depende yun sa class. So, yun lang guys. Very useful ito sa mga nag-estimate ng footing, concrete footing. Okay? So, automatic calculate na yun. Yung volume footing natin, quantity of cement and bags, quantity of sand in cubic meters, and also the gravel in cubic meters. Bonus factor pa, we have manual calculation here. Okay, as your reference. Yan lang guys, thank you, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share sa mga videos na na-upload natin, also to my channel. Thank you and God bless.